Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Denise has done some more investing. Let's see what she's bought this time. It's episode 38. Check it out. Well, here we go. $34,218.08. Remember, this is episode 38. So in theory, this should be 38,000, but we are still down. It's less than $4,000, so that's okay. More volatility has been going on, and we can see, well, hasn't quite done the last update for the 11th of November, but that's okay because it is the weekend here in New Zealand. However, had a fantastic day yesterday or on Friday, and what has been purchased? Well, it is Meridian Energy because people need power. So simple as that. That's Denise's choice. That's what we're going with. We go and have a look here. You can see as of the close of business on Friday, portfolio was up $532.58 on that particular trading day, and I believe that's because there was some good news that came out of the US. So we'll run with that. It's very volatile either way. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. We got some dividends coming up in December. Let's have a look. Oh, there's a little bit coming in November as well. So at this stage, there's $195.40 worth of dividends to be paid out. Majority of that, of course, is in December with $184 at this stage. I would expect that will go up a little bit more. What else have we got to come in December? Well, we've probably got some Stride Stapled Group, which potentially might pay out $31 odd extra. We've got Marlin Global, $38. We've got Kingfish, $35. We've got Barramundi, $44. So you add all those up onto the $184.28. It's looking reasonably respectable in terms of dividend payouts. Let's go and have a look at the dividends here. $1,193.60 for the year. If we include that plus another couple of hundred, we are looking at, well, I'd say a good $1,500 for the year. And obviously that's only going to grow next year when another $26,000 is put into this portfolio. So if we're up to, what are we up to now? 34,000 plus another 26. This time next year it should be a $60,000 portfolio with hopefully 1 year to go. So another couple of years of this particular struggle, as it were. We might get up to episode, well, it's going to be a lot of episodes, no doubt about it. Another maybe episode 80 or something, and we might just crack the 100K mark. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, that's some positive news there. So let's have a look at the NZX 50 charts and a nice upward trajectory there from the Friday trading. Same with the fortnight. The fortnight's slightly up. The month is starting to look a little bit better. And if we look at the long-term thing, maybe we've reached the bottom, went up, went down. Maybe it's going on another upward cycle. Let's hope so. Eventually, all these issues will disappear with the supply chain, with the Ukraine-Russian war and other factors. Well, all the money printing, really. That's pretty much why inflation's gone up, gone through the roof. So when the banks and whoever, the governments and what have you, sort their stuff out, things should stabilise and hopefully things will settle and share prices will move back up. So we're going to buy as much as we possibly can, which is not a whole heap, but it's better than nothing, while we can, leaving a little bit of money for emergencies and all the rest of it, and carry on investing. Get this portfolio up to 100,000. And then we'll decide where we're going to go from there. We have a quick look at the share allocation, and as you can see, the financial services is still over 50%. Next fortnight, we'll buy something else to get that under 50%, so it's more diversified, because financial services, especially in this day and age, are not good. Well, not with this market anyway. That's about all the time we've got for this one. It's definitely a roller coaster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.